Welcome back to the Wise Woman's Garden. Dirt and soil are not the same thing. I'm Chris Hurst, and in this video we'll show you the difference. At the end of the video we'll tell you how you can ask us your questions about your soil, and we'll also tell you what videos we have coming up. If you have any questions on soil, you can pop them in the comments or email us via the link in the description. The next videos that we have coming up will be a follow-up to this one on keeping your soil healthy, and to prove that we're not immune to soil problems ourselves, we have digging with a pickaxe. We also have a video on how nitrogen fixing plants work. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.